Hi, good afternoon. So, this is a 131. As you see in here, it has a modified internals, all assembled machine parts, full adjustability on your stroke here in the front. We adjusted all that. This is where you adjust the radius. It's adjusted to a medium to small radius right now. The pivot point for the radius arm is almost over the center arm for the oscillation arm. We have a 80 grit paper, no, sorry, a 60 grit paper on it because you have quite a bit of weld. Your weld is actually very well done. I made one test weld here because it bleeds to the inside. It gives us material on the inside, so we are not likely to grind through. This is the edge that I made after I oscillated it because I wanted to see how that whole corner comes out. Of course, when you grind, you will only grind the outside, and the weld tip on top will still be there, and that you need to best remove by hand, and then it should look like this. So, very simple machine. So you have adjustability for your symmetry, for your oscillation amplitude, for your radius. Then you have adjustable here for left and right to be in the center of this. So if you hit on one side more than on the other, one way to do is to flip your part around real quick. The other way is to adjust these, but sometimes parts are not totally symmetric all the time, so the flipping is working better for me. You have the oscillation turned on. Because you have a lot of weld, we're going to go on to quick here. It takes a little while for the oscillation to kick in. There we are. And that is what the result will look like. And what I see here is we have a nice symmetric feed all the way down, which means we are perpendicular to the bottom, and also the weld is not to one side or the other. You just see what's left on top here. And you want to be careful if you want to avoid the blue spot, which goes away with the oscillation afterwards. You can also grind it slower. You should always wait until the motor is fully stopped and then kick it back on. So now we are grinding on a little bit of a lower speed. And this is in principle it. I'll do the second one real quick so you can see that through. Like I said, if you're worried about a little bit of surgery, you can go like this. See here, for example, I've been getting a little bit less, I've been getting more, so that weld seam isn't totally perpendicular. So I'm just going to flip it. And now that cleaned it up. What you see here is we slow the oscillation way down. You have control over it here. But we found that the results, especially the cleaning of the machine, dust collection, works a lot better at lower frequency, somewhere around 12, and then this is 12 is done. It's a good setting for the oscillator. And then this is your slow belt speed, your high belt speed, and your oscillation on and off. And this starts the whole process. So you select first, and then you have to back up. And this is your main switch to turn off and on. So if you put this to 0, then this drops off, and obviously you need to have it switched for it to turn on. This is your emergency stop, which you need to rotate to get back out, and this turns the machine on and off. Thank you.